This is the Mena family's house. It's quiet. The family is asleep. Mom wakes up first. When does she wake up? She wakes up at 6:15. She goes to work at 7 o'clock. Dad, Amelia, and Joe wake up later. When do they wake up? They wake up at 7:30. They eat breakfast at 7:45. They go to school at 8:30. Their daily routine is different on the weekend. They eat breakfast at 10 o'clock. They go to grandmother and grandfather's house for lunch. When do they eat lunch? They eat lunch at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Every day, they eat dinner at 7:15. Then, Amelia and Joe play games. Then, they go to bed at 9 o'clock. When do you go to bed?
Page 70. Lesson 4. Daily routine. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Wake up.
2,
Go to school.
3,
Come home.
4,
Go to bed.
Page 70. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
When does he wake up?
He wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
When does she wake up?
She wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Wake. Wakes. Go. Goes. Come. Comes. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At night.
1,
When does he wake up? He wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
2,
When does she go to school? She goes to school at 8:15 in the morning.
3,
When does he come home? He comes home at 6 o'clock in the evening.
4,
When does she go to bed? She goes to bed at 8:45 at night.
Page 71. D. Listen, point, and say. Write.
Eat. Eats. Play. Plays. Do. Does. Watch. Watches.
He wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning. He eats breakfast at 7:30 in the morning. He goes to school at 8:15 in the morning. He eats lunch at 12:30 in the afternoon. He eats a snack at 3:15 in the afternoon. He plays soccer at 3:45 in the afternoon. He comes home at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. He plays the guitar at 5:45 in the evening. He watches TV at 6:30 in the evening. He eats dinner at 7:15 in the evening. He does homework at 8 o'clock at night. He goes to bed at 9:45 at night.
The lesson is over. See you next time. Goodbye.